Hello? Western Realty. Now, if I were a really expensive diamond ring, where would I be? Oh, it's you.
Hi.
What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here. The North End is mine and you get the South.
10.5 carat cushion cut platinum engagement ring. The deal's off.
It's upstairs. Enjoy.
Oh, not so fast.
It's sold.
But it just went on the market this morning. You must be Robert, the one I spoke with on the phone.
Yeah, sure, why not?
And you must be Rachel, his fiancée.
Must I?
This is my son, Peter.
Hey.
He's at the top of his class.
Well, I thought I told you that it sold.
I assumed you were joking.
Well, you know what they say about assumptions.
Makes an ass of you and umptions.
Well, if you don't mind, I'm just going to look around.
Knock yourself out. It's time to go. Am I too late? No, but I think that we are. So listen, what?
Riley Tompkins.
Riley. It's been a long day. And
It's 10 a.m.
That's what I said. It's been a long morning. And I think if you could just go a long morning, that would be great.
These pencils?
I'm a school teacher.
Hi, Miss Tompkins.
Hello, Peter.
Are you taking the washer and dryer with you?
Are we ever gonna get out of here with the ring? Ow! Seriously? Can this day get any worse?
Robert? Rachel Donovan? My name's Detective Gaines, and this is my partner, Detective Markey. And we'd like to ask you a few questions.
It's worse.
Could you stop saying we're partners?
But we are partners.
Yeah, but the way you say it sounds like, you know.
What?
Never mind. Seems there's been a series of robberies in the neighborhood lately. We're wondering if you'd seen anything suspicious.
No?
$300,000 home without a pool is suspicious.
Pictures.
What's that?
The couple selling the house isn't in any pictures here.
Oh, like we're that vain that we have to be in all our pictures. Isn't that right, Myrna? Would you believe that Myrna's a pet name I have for her? Run! Meet me at the end of the world. We found it.
Oh, it wasn't that hard. It's where I first kissed some guy.
But he's a nice guy.
Well, he has his moments.
Like now? So how about it?
How about what? Oh.
You wanna
I don't know. I'm trying to take this one day at a time. Wait.